Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add removed friends back on Snapchat. There are a few different ways to do this, so I'll go over each one in detail. This is the most straightforward method is to simply search for their username, if you know it. Open the Snapchat app and the people icon from the bottom. Tap the search icon. Then, in the search bar, type the username of the person you want to add back. When you see their name, tap it and then tap Add. Also, if the person you want to add back is saved in your contacts, you can add them back from there. To do this, follow the steps on the first method. Tap the Add Friends icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then, tap All Contacts. Scroll through your list of contacts until you find the person you want to add back, and then tap their name. Finally, tap Add Friend or Invite. That's all there is to it. I hope this video helped you learn how to add removed friends back on Snapchat. If you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Additional tips. Make sure you're using the latest version of the Snapchat app. If you've blocked the person you want to add back, you'll need to unblock them before you can add them back. If you've reported the person you want to add back for spam or abuse, you won't be able to add them back. If you're having trouble adding a removed friend back, you can try contacting Snapchat support for help. They may be able to manually add the friend back to your account. I hope this helps.